Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, headed to church. I've long known my fuel gauge is off, telling me that I have less fuel than I actually have. Whenever I fill it up, it goes close to the top, but it drops that first third pretty quick. I got a low fuel warning, and it told me I had 50 miles left. When it told me that, I reset that, which was 60 miles ago. And now it says I have 40 miles left. So when it told me I had 50, it looks like I had 100. Which I guess is good to err to that side. But sometimes you get in between stops running down the highway. You don't want to stop as soon as you have to. Wonder if you can make it that other 30 miles. Well, heck, looks like I could have made it. And sometime I did push it, but sometime I didn't. So anyway, I'm on my way to church, and then I'll get gas after that, and we'll see how many gallons I can put in. Usually when it tells me I have 40 miles left, I'll pump gas and I only get like 14 gallons, which means there should be another 5 gallons in the car. 5 gallons times 23 or 20, that's 120 miles. So I've always left for fuel in the tank. I do have a fuel level sending unit to replace this one with, so maybe I'll do that soon, and maybe that one will be more accurate than this one. So let's see if I make it to church. It appears that I just ran out of gas on the interstate at 90 miles. Car just died. Says I have 25 miles to empty. So I'll see how much gas I could put in the car. Fortunate for me, I was going 70 miles an hour. I was 300 yards from the exit. From the exit, drifted right in to this gas station, which has gas I approve of. So I'm really blessed. So here we go. I'm going to bump the starter, cut the car off, bump the starter again, cut the car off, bump the starter one more time. Trying to pressurize the fuel rail. Now I'm going to see if she starts. There we go, people. Now I'm going to set my scan gauge. Paid a little more for gas here. I think I paid $3.10. Super unleaded. And we're good to go. Got a full tank of gas. On my way to Socorro, picked up a bunch of 850 parts, steering wheel, door panel insert, some axles, and a full dash for that red 850R I've been helping Karyn with. So, headed to Socorro right now. I'm gonna water up so I don't pass out, and tune in when I get down there. I'm doing an open loop, closed loop session. Right now, I am holding 75 miles an hour. I'm gonna let off the gas. Throttle position goes to 10, engine braking, it goes to open loop. Now I'm gonna kick on the cruise, and it's to try to set the cruise at 78. As that throttle position rises and the car starts gaining speed, it goes open loop. Looks like I'm at about 5 pounds on my boost gauge, and I'll see when it goes closed loop again. It went closed immediately when boost fell under 1 pound. So I'm gonna ease on the gas again. Oh, I hit the brake. Sorry about that. I'm gonna ease on the gas again, see when it goes open loop. Right now it's back to cruise. I'm gonna ease on the gas, see when it goes open loop. Went open at about 2 pounds of. And it seems like over 35% throttle position. It goes open loop. 33%. Let me go to 35. 30. Yeah, it went. Seems like over 35% throttle. It goes open loop. Engine braking again. So that's where I'm at. The sound of 1,000 locusts. Look at that thing. Think I can trim my beard? Believe it or not, you attach the steering wheel, stick a key in the ignition, and this car, it did actually start.
It runs perfect.
Start and runs without a dash.
You can hear the vacuum leak though, but that's about it.
That little vacuum leak to the boost gauge? Yeah, you can just plug that. I don't think I'll buy one driving home without the dash. Just for giggles. Okay, so the airflow directional of the AC heat near ECC unit is not working. That is this blend motor here. We got one down there to replace it, and we're going to get started. Get this dash in today. If you don't remember, or if I didn't record it, this is the dash that we pulled out of the 850R. You see that beautiful walnut? However, the top of it has a big chunk missing. There are a couple of pieces that are smooth cracked. Another one there, another one there, another one here. We just didn't feel like this dash could support the rest of the beauty of the rest of the car. Of course, that dash pad there, I should have brought the one that the guy just tried to give me. So we're gonna go ahead. Should have seen Karyn's face. We're gonna go ahead, take the wiring harness out of this and put it in the replacement dash, because that wiring harness is a big deal. I'm telling people now, if you swap a dash, swap the wire harness too, unless that car was identical. This car is a 97, that car was a 95. You really need to swap the wire harness. So let's get started pulling the wire harness out of this one. Here's the old dash. Broken mount, broken mount, broken mount, broken mount. Here's the replacement dash. I don't even see a crack on those mounts. This is amazing. Is that a crack? Okay, this one is cracked. This is the only one that's got a crack on it. The rest of them are in perfect shape. First thing I'm gonna do is swap over the VIN plate. No, don't touch the VIN. Oh no, you can't do that. You can't mess with the VIN. You can't do. Why would I want the VIN plate from a different car on this car? Push those push pins out, slide it out, take the one that belongs with the actual vehicle, swap it over to the replacement dash. Cut a zip tie there, cut a zip tie there. Look how that wire comes through here. Let me go to the other side and start pulling stuff to take that apart. Today turning into a slow grind. Took mom grocery shopping first thing this morning. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.